Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mode Mechanic 757, working on a GMC, getting ready to change out the starter, but there is the oxygen sensor right there. People wondering why, how the hell I'm going to get that off. This is the special socket that you use right here. All you do is slip this right on. The wire goes right through here, so you can't break the wire. So I'm actually going to put it on right now. Bear with me, I'm doing it with one hand. And that's how you put it on right there. I'm trying to get it to go down there. And as you can see, it's right on, and that's how you do it. And then you just take a regular wrench and you pull it right off. Do not use anything else that doesn't have that slit in it, or you will destroy the new wire and you will be getting a oxygen sensor every single time because you're going to destroy those wires. This is just a mechanic tip. I'm going to point to it. My finger's going straight all the way down. And there's the oxygen sensor right here, and there's the tool that goes right on top of it with the slit. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.